What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to 2022, you guys. First of all, I just want to start the video by saying Happy New Year, Happy 2022. I hope you're healthy, you're happy, you are in a great state of mind, and if you aren't, that's okay. Everything's gonna be alright, don't worry. It's just a season, you'll get better. I trust you. So this online space is just about happiness, enthusiasm, excitement, and I'm just happy to be back. I haven't posted in 2 weeks, I think, but it felt like forever. I'm feeling very excited about this year. I'm just here to connect with you guys. Very excited, you guys. So today, as per usual, the first video is a vision board, and I already have all the things cutted, the things that I want to manifest for this new year, and I have this white canvas just ready for me to explore. So if you want to know how my vision board will look like, and if you want to know also some tips on how to make yours, just keep on watching. For these DIY, all you're gonna need are just some photos. I got basic photos of the goals that I want to achieve, and also some quotes just to get more motivational here. Then you are going to be needing some white glue. This is very important just to place everything on the canvas. You are also going to be needing some canvas. I got this white canvas, is 30 centimeters by 40, and I think it's just the right size to just be placing here. So I'm very excited. I always like to do a physical vision board whenever the year is starting, but you can also do a digital one if you are not very into some DIYs. It's very easy. I love to do on Milanote. It's a digital platform where you can just basically organize your life, and then you have templates for mood boards, and I love it so much. As you can see, I did my own, and it's very simple, very easy to use. It is free, so if you want to just do a digital one. But now let's do the DIY. I'm very excited, and yeah, I'm very excited. Are you excited? Did I say that I'm very excited? I feel like I haven't said it enough. Let's go. Now I just have here my white canvas, and let's talk about what 2022 hopefully is gonna bring me. First of all, this is a very superficial, I think, goal for 2022, but it's to just have more attention to what I wear. I love clothing, I love fashion, and I just feel like sometimes I don't take it very seriously, and there are just a lot of things that I want to try it out. And yeah, basically that's the goal for 2022, is just to better express myself through clothing. And so I'm gonna place it right here at the top. I love whenever you're trying to record and then your family just decides to do a bunch of noise. So I'm sorry if you hear something, but that's it. There you go. Another goal that I have for 2022 is to travel. Then for 2022, the other goal that I have is to travel. I was supposedly going to be starting the year with a big trip, and unfortunately due to COVID, that isn't possible. And so I just want to have in mind the possibility to travel and to live more, as in like experiencing more of life. I feel like sometimes I got caught up just with a bunch of work or with my small business, and I'm a person that sometimes hates whenever it's not being productive, and I want to just live more in the moment, if that makes any sense. I'm going to be talking while doing this, so probably I will be saying things that don't make any sense. I love to travel, and it just always gets me such a sense of peace that I want to invest in more of that this year. So it's here on the goals. Another goal that I have is to be at peace with myself, be at peace with the people that surround me, be at peace with my life. And so I just want a more easy, chill, and thoughtful life. I don't have specific goals. I just have things that I want to start, or that I want to continue on doing, or some values that I want to bring on my life, and kind of routines. And yeah, I'm very excited about. I'm just excited now to be doing a DIY. I haven't done one in a while. I want to love more and not like loving more the person that I do, because I think that's always impossible, but then again the next day you just love that person even more. But I just want to have more romantic moments. I want to go on more dates, on more us time, and just dedicate a little bit of our time to that. I want to just love, and that's on my vision board. Love is very important, and I feel like being in love is just amazing. Now I'm just going to be placing here a quote that says you can rise up from anything, and that's very important. I feel like this year has been something like that, just because I know there are moments whenever you are feeling kind of down and that you don't feel like life is anything good, honestly. But then you just got to remember that you have strength, you have power, you just need to believe in yourself, and you can do anything that you set your mind to. And you can rise up from any darkness that you have. That's something that I want to bring to this new year, is just a sense of resilience, and you got this, so let's go. Another goal for this year is honestly to start to take care of myself. I feel like I don't take care of myself, and that makes me really sad. I'm all about mental health and everything, and I feel like I don't practice that very often, so I will try to exercise a little bit each day, but I'll try to do something for myself every single day that I appreciate, that brings me peace, and that just puts me on the right state of mind. I want to read more, and I said that on the last vision board, and I didn't accomplish that, although I have a bunch of interesting books to read now, so I'm very excited to be reading. I have to find the time to be reading, but that's all going to be possible in a bit. I just want to have the feeling that it's okay to turn off the social media world, the small business world, and that I don't have to be working 24/7. I always have that thing on my mind where I need to be productive 24/7, and that ended up just crushing me this year, because I would cry about not being productive, and I would literally be my worst whenever I wasn't being productive. I was being kind of mean to people just because I had to be productive and I couldn't because I was so exhausted. So that's okay. It's okay to not be productive all the time. And so that's one thing that I want to bring to this new year. It's okay not to be productive 24/7. And that's for you too. I don't believe that you have to be productive all the time. I do love productivity, and I do love whenever I feel like I'm being productive, but also I love myself and I don't want to ruin my mental health due to that. So respect your mind, respect your body, and do all things with kindness, but not only for others, but especially for yourself. So that's my goal for this new year, is to respect my mind and to give it a little break when needed. Also about this year, in a better, greater note, is I want to be creative. I want to practice my creativity through photography. I've been loving film, and you probably know because I've mentioned that in my channel a bunch, and I've posted on my Instagram a bunch as well. But I love analog, and I've just been loving so much. I bought my very first analog camera, like non-disposable, so I'm very excited. And I also want to express my creativity through my Instagram. I want to make more content. I want to make more content with purpose, and I'm very excited to just be creating. Honestly, I'm a very creative person, and I love the platforms where I can just post all about my creativity. And yeah, I'm just very excited to be creative. I don't know. I love YouTube. It's my favorite platform and I couldn't live without it, honestly. It was the best thing that I've ever done, was to actually not be afraid and go and post my very first YouTube video, to just be real, to be here. So for 2022, I just want to be more creative and intentional on my platforms. I love YouTube. This is my this is the best social media. This is the best online platform. I love YouTube. I love creating. I love doing these DIYs, and I love how people interact. I love my community, and I love you all so much. You guys are the best. You've given me so much joy, honestly. I don't know if you know this, but I started YouTube a long time ago, 6 years ago. I don't do this for money because I don't receive money. I don't do this because I want to be famous, because I've been here for 6 years and you can figure how many subscribers I have. If I kept on going, it's just because I truly love this platform, and I love how you can be creative. I love how people are very kind to you, and I just love my community, and I couldn't be without it, if that makes any sense. No matter what, YouTube will always be part of my vision board every single year. For 2022, and this is one of the last goals that I have, is to do a bunch of room makeovers. I'm going to be doing a room makeover on this bedroom this year, and I will be doing a balcony makeover. So I'm just very excited about decorating. I'm excited also about my small business. I haven't actually put any photo here about it, but that's a goal for 2022. Is my small business, of course. I love it. This year the Christmas season was crazy for 𝒐𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒄, and I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be prouder. So I'm just very excited for this next year. I'm also excited for a little project that I'm developing and that I want to share with you, but that's only going to air, I think, on the 1st of February. So until then, I hope you'll still be here and that you could just support me however you'd feel like it, because that means a lot. There's a quote here that is just everything that I want for this year, which is consume less and create more. This is what I want for next year, or this year, to be about creating, to be about living experiences, to be just about being present and create memories. So as you can see, this is my mood board. I'm just going to be adding here a little something later, but yeah, this is my mood board. I'm also going to be writing, whenever this is dried, some stuff, but for now this is it. All the goals are here explained, and I am very happy with it. I hope you do your own vision board, and don't forget to tag me on your posts, on your videos, on your whatever. I'm very excited about this new year and what's gonna bring us, and I hope everyone is just happy, healthy, and because that's ultimately what matters. And yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very thankful for all of you, and I couldn't just be happier. So yeah. I guess I'll see you on my next video because I'm running out of memory card. But yeah, I love you all so much. Have the best, greatest and brightest year that you can possibly have, and I'll see you on my next video.